Hello guys, welcome back. It's day 6. Here we go. This ain't a bad cross, holy moly. I somehow still messed up. Alright guys, today we got 32.63. See you guys tomorrow.